Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting and reconnecting Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if the Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting and reconnecting itself, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting and reconnecting, first of all you want to make sure that it is not the issue with your Wi-Fi. So you might actually want to call the internet service provider, restart your router a couple of times and make sure that the issue is not coming from your router or your internet itself. Only after you've done that you can try to open up settings, and first of all the very first thing I want you to do is just simply check for software updates. So you can tap the search bar over here, simply type in software update to see if you have any sort of updates available, and make sure to update your device to the latest version. In my case I'm already running the latest version, which is Android 14 as of today. Now if that doesn't work, what you can also try to do is you can simply try to go to the general management option here, then go to the reset option, try to reset all settings by tapping the reset all settings. If you don't find it, you can again use the search bar over here that says reset all settings, then you'll find the reset all settings toggle, which you can then use to reset the settings. If that doesn't work, the only thing that I can recommend you is to simply factory data reset your device. So once you reset your device, you'll be able to go ahead and then factory erase everything. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.